Hey Jaquetta, my name's Sean here at Tamron Honda. Thank you for inquiring on the 2019 Honda CRV. The EXL I have right behind me. I want to show you a couple of things. One, you're going to have aluminum alloy wheels, breakaway mirror, keyless entry, so to unlock it all you do is grab the handle. You're going to get the moonroof and the power lift gate. You're also going to have the adaptive cruise control in the front. That actually adapts to the car in front of you. So if that car in front of you slows down, so does this one. If that car in front of you comes to a complete stop, so does this one. It's unbelievable. Lane keeping assist, it'll actually keep you in the lane if you veer outside of the lane. I want to show you everything about this car. Call me when you get a chance. My number is 205-965-5788. Let's set up an appointment. We'll go on a test drive. I'll show you everything I know. My name's Sean, Tamron Honda, 205-965-5788. If I can promise you one thing, when you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated.